Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Watch Ultra bands. First, let's explore the three main types of bands available for your Apple Watch Ultra. These include the Alpine Loop, the Trail Loop, and the Ocean Band. Each band is meticulously crafted to suit different activities and environments, ensuring optimal comfort and security. Choosing the right band is crucial for maximizing your watch's potential, whether you are hiking, running, or diving. The Alpine Loop is engineered for the most demanding outdoor adventures. Its unique design features two textile layers seamlessly woven into one continuous piece, providing exceptional strength and resilience. The high-strength yarns reinforce the top loops, while the corrosion-resistant titanium G-hook effortlessly slides into these loops for a secure and adjustable fit. This band is perfect for hikers and climbers seeking ultimate reliability. For endurance athletes and everyday wear, the Trail Loop is an excellent choice. It is Apple's thinnest and lightest band, crafted from a soft, high-stretch textile. This design allows for quick and easy adjustments, even during intense workouts. The convenient pull tab ensures a perfect fit in seconds, making it ideal for runners and cyclists who need comfort and flexibility throughout their activities. Finally, the Ocean Band is built for extreme water sports and recreational diving. It is molded from a high-performance fluoroelastomer, making it incredibly stretchy and resistant to water. The unique tubular geometry allows the band to stretch and fit securely, even over a thick wetsuit. The corrosion-resistant titanium buckle and adjustable loop ensure the band stays firmly in place during high-speed water activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.